Right, let us go with the next problem, that is 18th. Right here, the car covers 2 successive kilometer stretches at 10 km per hour and 20 km per hour respectively. Its average speed, right? The car covers successive, right? Let me consider this is 6 km. This is 3 km stretch, 3 km, and it covers at a speed of 10 km per hour. Then again this is 3 km, right, which is going to cover 20 km per hour. So we need to find the average speed. So we know average speed is equal to what? That is 2ab by a plus b. What is here a? This is a and this is b. This is 2 into 10 into 20, that divided by 10 plus 20, which is nothing but, see, 2 into 10 into 20, that divided by 30. Now simplify this will cancel, and what happens? 22s are 40 by 3. That is the average speed of the car. The answer is A.